Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we will study about network layer. The network layer is the third layer of the OSI model, and this layer is below the transport layer and it is above the data link layer. Now what happens, this network layer, it is responsible for the delivery of individual packets from the source to the destination. As we studied in previous tutorial that the data link layer oversees the delivery of packet between the two systems on the same network, or we can say on the same links, right? But this network layer, it ensures the delivery of each packet from its point of origin to final destination. Right, now what happens in data link layer? In data link layer, the communication at data link layer occurs between two adjacent nodes, right? So what happens, this network layer ensures the delivery of each packet from its point of origin to final destination, right? So if two systems are connected to the same link, then usually there is no need of network layer, right? Now let us see what are the responsibilities of a network layer. One of the responsibility of network layer is logical addressing. Now what happens is the physical addressing, which is implemented by the data link layer, it handles the addressing problem locally, right? Because what happens in data link layer, the communication at the data link layer occurs between only two adjacent nodes, right? So this physical addressing, which is implemented by the data link layer, it handles the addressing problem locally. But if a packet passes the network boundary, then we need another addressing system. So therefore, to the packet which is coming from the upper layer, the network layer adds the header, which includes the logical address of the sender and receiver, right? Because the network layer ensures the delivery of a packet from its point of origin to final destination, right? Another responsibility of network layer is routing, right? So what happens when independent networks or links are connected to create a internetwork or a large network, right? Then the connecting devices are called routers or switches, right? Which route or switch the packets to their final destination, right? So one of the function of network layer is to provide this mechanism. So here I have given you only the introduction of network layer, right? So about logical addressing and about routing we will study in detail in separate tutorials, right? There are many routing algorithms, how the logical addressing is done, and other features of a network layer. We will study about them in detail. Here I have given you only the introduction, right? Only the introduction about the functionality or responsibility of network layer.